weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Taylor Knust and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
What a great Monday, our warmest day in about 2.5 weeks across North Alabama. Our high today in Huntsville was 66, almost got to 70 degrees in Decatur and Muscle Shoals. We'll have a couple more chances to cross into the 70s in the coming days. As for this evening, we're cooling back down, but it's not quite as cold as we have seen in recent nights. Temperatures vary from 38 in Gadsden to still 52 in Guntersville and 53 at this hour in Haleyville. Eventually, most of us will see lows in the low 40s, 41 tonight in Guntersville, 40 in Scottsboro, down to 43 tonight in Coleman and 44 in Athens. Heading out the door tomorrow morning, you won't have to worry about frost on your windshield. It will be about 10 degrees warmer tomorrow morning compared to what we dealt with this morning. By 9 o'clock, we are back in the 50s. Before you know it, we'll be in the 60s tomorrow afternoon once again. Here's a look at our highs for your Tuesday. 67 degrees in Fort Payne, 68 in Scottsboro, 66 tomorrow in Arab, close to 70 again in Decatur. We'll get to 66 in Ardmore, 66 degrees in Florence, and topping out around 66 in Hackleburg as well. Really, the main difference from today to tomorrow is it will be a little bit cloudier, but we should stay dry during the daytime tomorrow. We're dry right now on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, getting some false returns on the radar right now, so you can ignore that green. We are dry, and we're going to stay dry until at least Tuesday night. The time frame we're watching for closely, though, is going to be Wednesday night into early Thursday morning, where we could get not just rain, but maybe some thunderstorms in the mix as well. The Storm Prediction Center has much of North Alabama under a level 1 risk for severe weather, so not of great concern, but nonetheless, there is at least that low-end potential for a few severe thunderstorms on Wednesday night. As for tonight through tomorrow, we are dry. We'll gradually continue to see an increase in the cloud cover, probably fairly cloudy by tomorrow afternoon, but still on the warm side. By Tuesday night, here comes our first chance at isolated showers. If it does happen to rain at that time, likely it will not last very long. It's kind of the same situation for during the day Wednesday. Isolated rain showers continuing to pass by. It'll be after midnight on Wednesday night that we'll have this broken line of thunderstorms and showers moving through the area. That may linger into early Thursday morning as well. If we're going to see any severe weather, it would be damaging straight line winds, and at this time, it looks like that's a pretty low threat. The bigger threat just may be the general widespread gusty winds on Wednesday night into Thursday morning, where occasionally those gusts could get upwards of 40 miles per hour across the region. So that's something we'll be watching in the coming days. Cooler air moving our way late this week, Friday into Saturday. Saturday's highs will be down to the 40s, and it might get just cold enough, especially in the mountains, for a chance at a light wintry mix on Friday night. This is going to be similar to previous events over the past few weeks where the higher terrain has a chance at a light mix. Rest of us will likely avoid it altogether. Quick look at your 7-day forecast shows highs in the 60s through Thursday. Cooler this weekend, but back at it with